स्पेशल स्टॉक मार्केट के बिगिनर्स कोर्स में आपका स्वागत है। Market cycles and phases. Market cycles are the natural fluctuations of the financial markets between periods of growth and decline. Understanding these cycles is crucial for traders as they help in identifying the right times to enter or exit the market. Each cycle is best understood as a wave of investor sentiment that drives market prices, often in a predictive pattern. The market goes through various cycles, each characterized by its own specific level of investor confidence, economic indicators, and market trends. The 4 phases of a market cycle. A complete market cycle typically consists of 4 phases: accumulation, markup, distribution, and markdown. Each phase reflects a different stage of investor behavior and market sentiment. Accumulation phase. The accumulation phase occurs after a market downturn or a prolonged period of consolidation. During this phase, the market is characterized by low investor confidence, and many traders and investors are still wary of entering the market. Sentiment is generally pessimistic, with the majority of investors either staying out of the market or selling off their holdings. However, those who recognize the potential for recovery quietly begin to build positions. However, savvy investors and institutions begin to accumulate stocks at discounted prices, anticipating a future recovery. Characteristics. Low volatility. Price movements are typically slow, with low trading volumes. Sideways movement. Prices may move in a horizontal range, reflecting uncertainty in the market. Value buying. Long-term investors seek out undervalued stocks, believing the worst is over. Strategy. Focus on value investing, buying stocks with strong fundamentals that are trading at a discount. This is the time to build positions in anticipation of the upcoming markup phase. Tactics. Use dollar cost averaging to build positions gradually. Look for signs of a market bottom, such as reduced selling pressure and stabilizing prices. Markup phase. The markup phase is where the market begins to trend upward. This phase is often driven by improving economic conditions, positive news, or a shift in investor sentiment. As prices rise, more investors enter the market, driving prices higher. As the market gains momentum, more and more investors jump in, fearing they might miss out on the opportunity. This influx of buyers pushes prices higher, often leading to a self-fulfilling prophecy. Characteristics. Increasing volatility. As more investors become confident, trading volumes and price swings increase. Breakout of resistance. Prices break through previous resistance levels, confirming the upward trend. Media attention. Positive media coverage and optimistic reports fuel further buying. Strategy. Capitalize on the upward trend by buying stocks that are breaking out of resistance levels. This phase is ideal for momentum trading and trend-following strategies. Tactics. Utilize trailing stops to protect profits as prices rise. Consider adding to positions during pullbacks, as long as the overall trend remains intact. Distribution phase. The distribution phase occurs when the market reaches its peak, and early investors start to take profits. During this phase, prices may continue to rise, but the rate of increase slows, and volatility begins to pick up. The market sentiment is overly optimistic, with many believing that the bull market will continue indefinitely. Many investors are euphoric, with some even borrowing money to buy more stocks, expecting further gains. However, seasoned investors and institutions begin selling their holdings to lock in profits, often without drawing much attention. Characteristics. High volatility. Sharp price movements become common as traders react to conflicting signals. Volume spike. There is a noticeable increase in trading volume as more participants try to capitalize on the uptrend. Divergence. Technical indicators may show signs of divergence, indicating a potential reversal. Strategy. Start taking profits and reducing exposure to high-risk assets. This is the time to be cautious, as the market may be nearing its peak. Tactics. Look for signs of weakness, such as declining volume on up days or bearish divergence in technical indicators. Gradually reduce positions, especially in overextended stocks. Markdown phase. The markdown phase is the period of decline that follows the market peak. Prices start to fall as selling pressure increases and investor sentiment shifts from optimism to fear. This phase can lead to a bear market if the decline is prolonged. Panic sets in as investors rush to exit the market, often selling at a loss. Fear dominates sentiment, and many traders who bought during the distribution phase are forced to sell, further driving prices down. Characteristics. Decreasing prices. Prices begin to fall, often breaking below key support levels. Panic selling. As losses mount, investors rush to sell, exacerbating the downward spiral. Negative news. Media coverage turns pessimistic, further fueling the sell-off. Strategy. Focus on capital preservation by reducing exposure to stocks and increasing cash or defensive positions. Consider short selling or hedging strategies if appropriate. Tactics. Look for opportunities to buy at the bottom, but only after confirming that the decline has stabilized. Avoid trying to catch a falling knife. Wait for signs of accumulation before re-entering the market. Conclusion. Market cycles are an inherent part of the financial markets, driven by changes in economic conditions, investor sentiment, and global events. By understanding and recognizing the different phases of a market cycle, traders and investors can better navigate the complexities of the stock market, making informed decisions that align with their risk tolerance and investment goals. Staying informed, maintaining discipline, and being aware of where the market stands within its cycle can make the difference between success and failure in stock trading. As always, a well-rounded approach that considers both technical and fundamental analysis will provide the best foundation for making sound investment decisions throughout any market cycle. For more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel.